everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's nail art tutorial is on Jimin's Nevermind tattoo design. I'll be writing Nevermind across 3 fingernails and then the Hwayeong Yeonhwa Chinese characters on my thumbnail. Start by applying base coat. I'm using Unpeel Off base coat from Love Polish. First, we are going to write the middle letter in the 3 letters that we'll be writing on our index finger. So that will be N, E, and V. So start with E just to mark out where the rest of the letters should go. And as you can see, I did E, then V, and then N. And the letters can be very messy because the letters are kind of messy in the tattoo. Then I just repeat the same technique for the rest of the letters across my index, middle, and ring fingernails. And then just paint your pinky fingernail black. For the thumb, I'm writing Hwayeong Yeonhwa using Hanja characters or Chinese characters, and this does take a lot of time because there are a lot of strokes in Chinese characters, but if you've written them before, it's not too difficult. And I would say you need to practice writing characters that small before you start writing it on your thumb, just to gauge how much space it'll take up and so how much space you can allot for each character. Now the final step is just to apply a generous layer of top coat over your designs, and you can use a matte top coat. I think that would look really cool as well, but I liked it shiny, so I left it as is. So that was it for this Jimin Nevermind tattoo inspired nail art design. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, if you're a beginner, then please let me know in the comments section. And also remember to click that thumbs up button to like this video and also to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Bye everyone!